Good morning. Back at it, and before we hit another 207-degree day, I figured I start early and beat the heat. You feel me? So it's about 7 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? I've been out here since 6. You know what I'm saying? In the mix. You know what I'm saying? But I had got a new front clip yesterday from the junkyard. Ended up getting that on. I just got to make a couple of adjustments on this side, fix that side up, but I got that on. I got a new SLAVE cylinder that I'm installing right now. Got to put some grease on it and then get up under here. Got a new creeper, you feel me? Appreciate the love, much appreciated. And I got to finish putting this on. So that's right there, that's what the SLAVE cylinder will hook up to. This is the hydraulic line to the SLAVE cylinder, so I'm gonna hook the SLAVE cylinder up to that, and then the SLAVE cylinder goes up and through there. I'm gonna bring a light. So you can see that I'm gonna be killing my battery, so I didn't put it out, but yeah, man, get it crack-a-lacking. That's the light right there. So yeah, how you can see right there, that hole right there. So the SLAVE cylinder goes in that hole. I gotta connect it right there to that. Bam. Then bleed the system. And I should be done. Alright. So, enough of me talking. Let's get it. So I've been fighting to get that SLAVE cylinder up there. Finally got it up there, but I gotta finish bolting it down. That top bolt is crazy to get in. It's hard to get in. So you gotta like get it in, push it down with one hand, and then like still try to hold it up with the other hand while you wrestling with the other hand. And oh man. Space is so tight in there, it's like you throwing up gang signs while you trying to put the screws on, man. Shit crazy, man. But yeah, I'm gonna finish tightening that up. We'll see where we go from. Yeah, y'all, so after y'all install that SLAVE cylinder, make sure y'all bleed the brakes. Hopefully you got a power bleeder. If you don't have a power bleeder, then use the 2-person method, bleed the clutch. After you bleed the clutch, then the car should be fine and you should be dipping. Besides that, getting the actual SLAVE cylinder inside of the transmission tunnel, it's kind of tricky. What I do is I put a little bit of grease on the end of the piece where it goes, and then I like to get like a reference point. So I look inside of the transmission. You're gonna see on the beamers they have like a little pinch in it, so you can see like where it goes. So I like get an idea where it goes, and always remember when you put the SLAVE cylinder in, sometimes that little pin will go up or it'll go down as you're putting it in. So make sure that it's still up. So what I do is I'll get it, I'll put my thumb in, and I like guide it with it. So I'll make sure that the pin goes in straight. Once you get that in and you make sure that the pin's in straight, you'll feel it. You'll feel the tension. You put it in, and then it's gonna be kind of hard to put in the 2 13mm bolts while you're trying to do all that. Especially when you're on the floor. If you're up and you have a lift, you good. But if you're on the floor, it's gonna be a little tricky. But don't give up. Do not give up. But hopefully this was helpful, and subscribe, like, follow your boy. I got merch coming out. Holla at me, man. Stay tuned. Peace.